Hello everyone, this is Lilian from Henan Lima Feed Machine Manufacturer. This is our ring die pellet machine. It's for making poultry feed like chicken feed, cow feed, cattle feed, or sheep feed and other livestock or poultry feed. We will use this machine for making the bigger production line, a bigger capacity. So this is the ring die pellet machine. The capacity is 5 to 6 tons per hour. It can reach to 5 tons per hour. So you can see this die is a ring die. And especially it's used for the bigger production line. And this ring die pellet machine, we use two layers conditioner. So the function of this conditioner will better let the formula, let the materials of the formula sterilization and also curing. So will make the feed better. So and also the capacity will like more efficient. This is the main machine of the poultry feed production line, especially for the bigger production line like 4 or 5 tons per hour. This is the main machine for making the poultry feed pellet. Thank you for contacting us if you have any interest. Thank you.